Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So guys, in this video, I want to share with you guys 3 free email marketing websites where you can sign up and start earning credits to email members within the community. Okay. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I've already mentioned that my channel is not only about opportunities, but it's also about giving back resources as well to help other marketers have success online. And this is one of those resources that I came across back in 2020 that I joined. And I've been using it ever since, and I've been emailing and emailing and emailing, and the emails are definitely going out. I'll show you some of the numbers for that as well. But this is one of those opportunities where, again, it is free, something you can get started with today. Read the other emails members and earn credits. So one of the sites, you're actually on it right now, is called Your Success Mailer, and I already have 7,000 credits here, which would allow me to send an ad to, I believe it's 1,084 members. Yeah, 1,084 members on the entire site. So there are people that are on this site, and there are people that do read the emails. Okay, so you're able to read emails here, right? And I'll show you some of the emails as well that you can read. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So you see here, you have emails that you can click for credits, right? And this one here, right? This is 17 minutes ago. That's mine. This is the one that I did 17 minutes ago. So you could definitely see that people are using this website. I use this website, and many others going down the list use this website as well. Okay. People use this site again to earn credits and to practice their email marketing, and also to potentially get more leads for their business, because not everyone wants to be on a Facebook, on a YouTube, on an Instagram, right? A lot of people don't want to do videos. So this is another option for people who want to do email marketing for free, to come on a site like this, right? Send out their emails and go about their day. All right. Now this is one of the sites. Now all 3 sites, before I go any further, they're similar. They have a similar dashboard, similar interface, similar structure, because they're all designed by the same person. But at the end of the day, your email is going out to different members. All right. Now this is one site. See how everything looks in your dashboard, your account. You can link an autoresponder as well, email wizard, a whole bunch of other tools on here as well, and you get access to all this for free. All right. So I'll post the links for these sites in the description after I'm done with the video. I'm gonna go to another site here. Now, this was one of the main sites that I used back in 2020. This was actually the first site that I found out about, and I started promoting it as well. This one is called 100% Traffic, and this is a same platform as Your Success Mailer. You're focusing on email marketing, emailing other members, right? You can also refer members to the site if you want to, and if someone purchases something, you earn a commission as well. All right. Now, I'm not going to get into that aspect, but for this video, I just want to focus on the email side of it. All right. So as you can see, I already have 12 referrals. These are people that I've brought into the site because I've promoted this site in the past, because I believe in it. Again, I've done a lot of emails from this site, and I know that it does work. And you see, I have over 165,000 credits. That's a lot of reading. I know they did a promo at the time where you can join for 30 days as a member, right? For like $2. So I took advantage of that when I saw it. So that's why you see so many credits there. But I have read emails, but I haven't earned that many emails, that many credits, all right, for me reading emails. Let me go back to here. So I'm going to show you that I do utilize this site. So as you can, oh wait, sorry, wrong option. Let me go back to this. Email history. Yeah, I clicked on the wrong button. Sorry about that, guys. So as you can see, this is my email history. Okay. This was one I sent today. The one that I showed you in Your Success Mailer. This was mine, the one that I created. So sent out to 1,500 people. Well, the total to send is supposed to be 1,500. There were 1,100 already sent out. 19 opens, 10 clicks. Right. That's so far. All right. 12:42. Time now is 1:18. So this was sent out on my end about a half hour ago, a little over a half hour ago. Okay. As you can see, you're not gonna see the same numbers every time. Some people will read their emails, some people won't. That's just how it is. It's always a numbers game with email marketing. But I'm gonna scroll down. Right. These are the first two emails I sent for this year. Actually, I haven't used this platform in a little while. So we'll scroll down. See, 2021. 2020. So you see a lot of my emails have been from 2020 because I've been using this site for quite some time promoting it in 2020. So this is probably one of the very first emails that I sent out back in 2020. All right, 1,000 emails supposed to be sent out. 1,000 was sent out. 50 were open and 31 were clicks. Okay, so like I said, the number's not going to be the same, but guess what? They're being open and they're being clicked, and that's the main thing. All right. So this is the second option, right, for email marketing. Your third option is going to be here, which is 100 click solos. Now with this one, you're able to buy the solos and they guarantee up to 100 clicks for your solo. All right. Now I just did one a little while ago myself. I just bought the solo ad for $2. I just sent that out a few minutes ago. Okay. So I'm just going to wait to see how that turns out for me. But I did one back in 2021 as well. I'll show you the numbers for that. Solo ad history. Okay, so already has 3 clicks. So this was sent out about 25 minutes ago and already has 3 clicks, right? I did this one in 2021, 169 clicks. So people are clicking and they are making sure that there are clicks. Now, as we all know, not every click turns into sales, right? That's just the way it is, right? Not every click is going to be a sale. But as long as they're clicking on it, that means that they're taking a look, at what you're promoting. And that's all you can really ask for as a marketer is for someone to look at what you're promoting. Whether they choose to buy or not, ultimately is up to, that person. But at the end of the day, your main goal as a marketer is to put your offer in front of people's faces. And with these 3 platforms, you're able to do that in terms of email marketing, and solo ads. So at the end of the day, these are free options. Okay, you can join for free. Check them out. Now with 100 click solos, you can join for free, but you do have to pay for your solos. Okay, so like I said, it's $2 for a solo ad, which is not bad at all. Right? So your solo will go out. You'll get 100 clicks to your solo, sometimes more, but it shouldn't be less than 100 clicks for your solo. So that way, again, it shows that people are looking at your offer and your opportunity that you're promoting, which is all that you can ask for. So that's it for this video, guys. The links will be in the description for these 3 websites. If you have any questions about them, feel free to leave a comment. But at the end of the day, just check it out. Okay, it's a free option for every marketer who wants another way to promote their business. And you really can't go wrong with that, having free options to promote your opportunities on. All right. So again, any questions, feel free to reach out to me, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you. All right. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy your Thursday, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right. Take care.